Hi guys, so today we will be looking at inside a 40.5 million estate with a Batcave garage. Let's have a look.
Hello and welcome to Residence 950. This hilltop estate is adjacent to one of the world's most famous streets in the beautiful Russian Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. This estate spans a full city block, nearly a third of an acre, which is almost 6 standard lots. And in San Francisco, that sort of space is extremely hard to come by. This estate is comprised of over 9,500 square feet with a main house, 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and
only 5 bedroom. Jeez, man, 40 mil and you're spending 5 bedrooms.
1 bedroom, 1 bath wellness cottage with sauna, steam, massage area, and spa. The estate is connected by lush gardens overlooking a 270-degree view of the city of San Francisco and the Bay. What makes this property extraordinarily unique is its world-class amenities. From a Batcave entrance to your chic garage.
Do you really need a Batcave garage? Not really. Seems a bit hard to get out of.
To a 4-sided infinity edge pool.
That's a very nice pool though.
We also have an outdoor theater, an art gallery, and a 1,000-bottle wine wall.
Art gallery in your house? What do you mean?
And this home is certified LEED Platinum for the highest levels of sustainability and design. Residence 950 is on the market for $40,500,000. Let's take a look. Here we are in the backyard, which is the heart of the home. It's a central location between the main house and
quite a small backyard, to be fair.
And the overall approach to this garden was to do this in a completely sustainable manner. We brought in drought-resistant plants, native plants, ancient olive trees that are over 100 years old. All of the water from this site, whether it's from the rain on the roofs to the garden, is collected and directed to a 12,500-gallon cistern that's used for irrigation not only of this yard, but it's also used for flushing toilets inside the house.
That's actually quite mad, to be fair. Jeez,
we try to reuse materials wherever we can within the home. These cobblestones were original to the house from 1906, and the sound of running water is very soothing and contributes to an overall feeling of wellness and decompression.
Oh, why do they have to always like, oh, decompression? Shut up and shut up.
Here at the center of the garden is our fire pit and seating area. One of the most special elements to this property is the fact that you can be here in your secluded and very private garden, but at the same time have these iconic views from Alcatraz all the way to the Transamerica.
Alcatraz, is that not a prison? So you're looking at a prison, is that really a good view? I don't know. You tell me.
One of the unique elements to this space is also the fact that we have an outdoor screening area. Whether it be 20 people,
yeah, we've already heard about this bloody screen, mate.
Include hundreds of your friends. I've never seen a house entertain better. And to assist with entertaining, we have this outdoor kitchen, which includes this Heston grill and rotisserie, as well as a wood-burning pizza oven.
Okay.
Coming down this pedestrian path in the garden is one of my favorite features in this house. It's a 4-sided infinity edge pool.
That is pretty nice pool, to be fair.
It's extended beyond its foundation, reaching out towards the edge of the property line. It's almost as if it's suspended in air. A lot of what we do in terms of development you can't see. And in this pool, we actually have a speaker system that's underneath the water. So you can have classical music out here in the garden, then dunk your head and play Taylor Swift, and no one would know.
Taylor Swift? Oh, ads, come on, man. Taylor Swift, what's so bad about that? Why didn't I listen to that underwater? Jeez, man. Come on, what? There's no problem with Taylor Swift.
So here we are in the living room, and this is on the same level as the garden. It's bathed in natural light, which was very much our intentions. Sense of space with water.
I see that. Very nice, very nice.
Here we are in a real chef's kitchen. We have induction and gas for cooking tops, 3 different ovens, including a steam oven, all Gaggenau appliances, 2 dishwashers, and integrated refrigeration and freezer. Not only is it truly functional, but it's beautiful to look at, with Italian Baffi cabinetry, Calcutta countertops, and limestone floors. But what I love the most is its connection to the garden. It truly makes it a family home.
I mean, it's just a door to the garden. It's not
One
like
of the things I'd really like to point
connection.
out is how light enters this home. We've installed a glass elevator.
Oh,
with
you
a
have no
skylight
lift in
above,
your house. That's kind
and
of
that
bad,
light
man,
ends
you
up
know?
permeating not only
Jeez.
to the floor below, but all the way down to the lower level. So in essence, this elevator serves as a skylight for 3 different levels to this house.
Okay, okay.
Here we find ourselves in the master bedroom,
Oh,
which truly celebrates San Francisco.
that's a
with
very
its
nice
views.
view, but
Not
it's
only that, but you have a direct
bedroom if you think about it.
connection to your garden from the balcony above. So a fun fact about this space is that we actually put shielded cable in all of the bedrooms. And the point of that is to reduce our exposure to what's called EMF or electromagnetic frequencies. What we try to do is carry that a little forward with the programming of our retire button on our Lutron Homeworks. So when you hit retire at night and turns down the lights, it also will turn off the Wi-Fi for the house and reset it to start again in the morning.
What about if you wake up at like 3 o'clock and you're just like, oh, let me just check Instagram. No Wi-Fi. Forget that. Jeez. Out the window.
So here in
Bit
the master
stupid.
closet, we take design seriously. These are Bothy Italian cabinetry, and we also brought in statuary marble floors, and consistent with
Is that like high design? It's literally just a couple of cupboards, you know what I mean?
the rest of the house. These marble floors are also heated, so you could comfortably walk barefoot throughout the entire house.
So that's a good
anytime
feature
of
actually,
day.
to be fair.
Here we are in the master bathroom. In addition to beautiful finishes and views, we strive to create a peaceful and serene environment. It's perfect for decompressing. We have this beautiful freestanding
Decompressing, what
soaking
do you
tub made by
mean?
Bothy, as well as Bothy sinks and cabinetry. A personal favorite of mine is these sconces, which remind me of coral. This is truly an urban retreat that allows you to escape from the city. But in case you don't want to, we also have a waterproof television in the shower.
That shitey little TV, man. What are you gonna watch? Just get showered, man.
Believe it or not, we're on the lower level of a 3-story home. This part of the home has actually been excavated underneath the original house that was here. We have floor-to-ceiling doors that slide open to give you a wonderful connection to a terrace that almost doubles the size of this entertainment room. This
Okay.
house knows how to entertain. This bar is actually a collaboration.
I'm sure the house doesn't know how to entertain it's the people inside, but I get the point.
Its design team and Jonathan Browning, and we curated the color of our stone and marble with that of the brass. And these may look like hardwood floors, but actually this is a high-density limestone. We were able to design and cut these floors to minimize the amount of waste.
Okay.
With Residence 950, you
Oh,
actually
you get a bad boy little
second
cottage with it.
single-family
Come on.
home. We've dubbed this the Wellness Cottage. This cottage was actually built here in 1906 to accommodate the
That
family with living
Minecraft
space
cobblestone
while their home
going.
that was destroyed during the 1906 earthquake was rebuilt. Because this is a single-family home, it comes with a fully equipped kitchen. And all of this goes away with the folding of some doors.
Why do you need to hide the
Magically
kitchen like it's some mad thing?
Here we are in the would-be bedroom.
Oh, you're not allowed a
of the
kitchen in
residence.
your house?
This space was repurposed to be a massage area for couples, but easily could be converted into an office or gym.
Okay.
No wellness cottage is complete without its very own sauna, and we also have a steam room.
Oh
with
yeah, a
cold
fully
water
equipped
plunge.
spa.
The steam
Yeah.
is actually coming
No
out of a
wellness
Tensui
cottages
water
without that.
filtration
Jeez.
system, which serves the entire property. You're swimming in that water, showering in that water, and also steaming in that water.
Mad. Okay.
Just outside, you have your spa as well as a Bothy outdoor shower. And what's unique about this space is the amount of privacy you have with this lush landscaping around you.
You have a couple bushes and then, you know, completely block out everything.
At Troon Pacific, we take garages very seriously. Garages are often used by catering companies for entertaining. So we consulted catering companies locally and asked, what do they need? And they told us that they needed 20 amps of circuitry, as well as a stainless steel sink and prep area. So we're fully equipped to throw a party of any size. And for
You need a sink in a garage where you park cars. I don't think you do, mate.
your favorite member of the family, we also installed a dog wash. So I'm standing here on the car turntable, and this allows maximum flexibility in terms of not only parking 4 cars in the garage, but it allows you to pull your car onto this to be able to face forward as you go down the long tunnel, because nobody wants to go down this tunnel backwards.
I got an idea. Instead of making that circle, how about you just don't make the tunnel? No one wants it.
Part of wellness is surrounding yourself with beauty. And here you have your personal art gallery. We've tried to maximize flexibility. Whether it be sculpture or works of art on paper or on the walls, we've made it easy to interchange and to have lighting that can adjust to whatever need you have in this gallery. Entirely different work of art, depending on your taste, is the wine wall above us. And there you can have over 1,000 bottles of temperature-controlled wine with a cold pantry behind.
That's a mad
Having
section,
your own art
aren't you?
gallery
1,000
actually
bottles of
allows
wine in
for
one night.
maximum flexibility in terms of how the space is used. Whether it be dinner parties, lectures, or even having your own DJ come, we have a DMX lighting system that could be controlled by DJs or music. If collecting art is not your thing, there's a lot more flexibility with this space. Originally, it was permitted to be a sports court. It also could be a climbing wall, an IMAX theater, and we've even engineered an opening in this wall to connect to our garage, which can allow for a car lift to be installed and to have a place to display additional cars in your home.
That'd be quite sick, to be fair.
Residence 950. Your own private oasis, an infinity edge pool, ample indoor-outdoor living, a state-of-the-art kitchen, an entertainment lounge and bar, an art gallery, a 1,000-bottle wine wall, and of course, a one-bedroom, one-bath wellness cottage with a spa, a steam room, and a sauna. And all of this could be yours for $40,500,000.
Personally, I think it's quite cheap, you know. Might cop it myself. Anyway, thank you for watching.